How to hide message notifications on Instagram. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I will guide you on how you can hide message notifications on Instagram, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you want to hide message notifications on Instagram, all you have to do is go ahead and then make sure to launch the Instagram application here. Now after that, just tap the profile icon located at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once you tap the profile icon located at the bottom right, tap the three lines option and then go to settings. After you come to settings, I simply want you to go to notifications, and under notifications select the option called messages. Now if you want to turn off message notifications, just turn off all of these toggles over here for message requests, for messages, for message reminders, and for group requests. No matter what, now you will not be notified of messages on your Instagram app or on your mobile device. This way you'll be able to turn off message notifications on Instagram. Hope this video is very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.